up everyone, Philip Francis here with you with another brand new video for you here today. I've got an exciting new recipe to show you. This is one of my favorite dishes and it's called Pork Adobo. I tasted this the first time in the Philippines and boy, it's delicious. Now, there's a lot of versions in every region in the Philippines. They make different versions of this adobo. And the one that I love the most and I prefer is the traditional Ilocano style of making pork adobo. So that's the version I'm going to show you. Try it out, check it out, cook it, and boy, it's delicious. I'm really excited to show you how this goes. And before that, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you'll get future post notifications, etc. And also help share. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up, and please do share this with your friends and family. And without further ado, let's head on to my kitchen. Here I have 1 kilo of pork belly, all chopped into cubes and kept ready for marination. Here we have bay leaf, couple of pepper coarsely ground, quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 pod of garlic, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of white sugar. Normally you can add brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can add white sugar. This is to achieve the sweet and tangy taste. Followed with 60 ml of light soy sauce and followed with 5 tablespoons of vinegar. Pound and crush the garlic to this texture. To do the marination, add all the ingredients into a bowl. Except the bay leaf, which will be added at a later stage. First step is to prepare the marinade. Here you can check if you need more vinegar or sugar or any other ingredient that is required to get the desired taste and consistency. Once the marinade is prepared, we can add the sliced pork belly cubes into this. Mix the pork into the marinade and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now we have mixed the pork into the marinade and set aside for 30 minutes. Now add the pork to the pan directly along with the marinade sauce, and I'll also add the bay leaf and give it a quick mix. After giving it a quick toss, leave it to cook on medium fire and close the lid. Close the lid and cook till the water evaporates. No need to add oil to this dish as the oil will come out from the pork. Add 1 cup of water. If you think the meat is not cooked to tenderness, then add half cup of hot water and add it to this and cook it on simmer. After 7 minutes, open the lid and give it a quick stir. And close the lid again. Cook on medium flame until meat is tender and the water has evaporated and the oil comes out of the meat. Stir occasionally every 10 minutes or so. Is almost done. Another 10 minutes and it's ready to be served. And reduce the fire to low flame now. The meat is now cooked and you can turn off the fire. And here we have the final dish, which is all ready and served. Boy, it's yummy delicious. You can eat this with steamed rice. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe to the channel. The subscribe button link is down below. Click it, click the notification bell. Love to hear your feedback and comments in the comment section down below. Try the dish out. Beautiful, lovely dish. I hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, it's your pal, Phil. Cheers.